exploring the word washer in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the meaning of the word washer. It's a common word in English, but did you know it has multiple meanings? Let's explore them. Remember, context is key when determining which meaning of washer is being used. A washer is commonly understood as a short form for a washing machine. It's a household appliance used to clean clothes. Most homes have one, and it's an essential tool to keep our clothes fresh and clean. Example: I need to buy a new washer, mine broke down last week. In the world of hardware, a washer is a thin flat ring made of metal, plastic, or rubber. It's placed between a screw or nut and the surface to increase pressure or to prevent leakage. Example: please place a washer under that bolt to make the connection more secure. When you hear or read the word washer, always look at the context. If someone is talking about laundry or household chores, they're probably referring to the appliance. If they're discussing repairs, construction, or machinery, they might be talking about the small ring. Example: discussing chores, I'll move the clothes from the washer to the dryer. Fixing a leaky faucet, you might need to replace the washer to stop that leak. And there we have it. The word washer can refer to an appliance in our homes or a small tool in hardware. Always pay attention to the context to understand its meaning correctly. We hope this video has been helpful and sheds light on the versatile nature of English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.